Hey folks, guess what? I finally went to Walgreens in Chico and I finally found 4 packs of 21 historic tops, 2021 value pack. That's 15. Let's see what kind of stuff we find these things. They have a bunch of them. They have a limited how I could buy. Ooh, great, great stuff so far. Wow. Future Hall of Famer. I'm going to just go through the cards and see the ones that are worth talking about. We're kind of backwards. Oh, Joey Votto in action. Got a bunch of 21 strikeout leaders. Not one of the Giants. In action. Oh, kind of interesting one. President one. Donald Trump passed away. 1972. He dropped get the order to drop the bomb. That's kind of interesting. Interesting little history thing for you kids. Let's see. In action. Got in action cards. This one. During action and kind of get a little story. 21 year champions. And then, oh, I got one Soto. Anybody leaders. No Giants. I don't see, Orioles. I don't see people I recognize. No rookie cards in this pile. So once again, I'm opening a 4 package of Walgreens. And the second one I'm opening for you folks, just for you people. 15 cards per pack. You know, once again, this is what it look like on the back side. I think, nah. First pack was good. These packs are just a little messed. The cards are all weird. Oh, cool. No, I don't know him. Oh, cool. This guy Dusty with me. They make some jokes about him. He looks like kind of like the guy from The Mask. I mean, but I do watch that thing on YouTube, the Dodgers thing. It's kind of interesting. Okay, my rookie stars. Cy Young Award. And have little players front, and it tells you all the players. I got one with Norm Ryan. Then and now. Sean Barbie. I don't know. Kind of tells you who's in top or something. Got an action card. Alex Cobb. I'm not sure he's related to what's his name? Ty Cobb. I don't see in action. It's gonna get by him. It's not for no rookies. Okay, let's go to the third pile, the first package. I have 21 rookie stars. No Giants. Red Sox. In action again. Guy's like a Babe Ruth of Major League right now. He hit and strike out from Japan. See how right here has Charlie in action. That's kind of cool. Action card. You got it a flashback 1972. Another action, Michael Redding Jr. in action. action. I guess it's a puzzle or something. 2020 home run leaders. Of course, I don't know how many people can home runs. I'm probably Trout didn't win last year. Oh, Aaron Judge. That's a cool one. Last one, Aaron Judge. Future Hall of Famer. Keep this, thing clear. I mean, future Hall of Famer. I'm probably he's only had like 9 home runs. Yeah. He beat Mick Rogers' home run. Double check if I missed anything. Back to clock. An action card. Yeah, this guy's rookie card here. James Mora. Rookie card. New York. Okay. And then, well, actually, there's one more in this pile. That's actually 2 more. Yeah, I felt something weird. Oh, okay. 21 rookie stars for the Marlins. The last one. Do a quick one. I don't go through. I try to keep these videos as short as possible. I don't go through them. You guys see me opening up a lot of package. Kind of weird. Nashville. I see that cat from the Nashville. Troy and Turner. Kind of interesting. I've seen that cat before. I think a lot better than the Walgreens. Brand Loan. In action. Other in action. Yeah, so far I don't see anything too wonderful. Bunch of feature stars, National League superstars. Boyhood photos. A little different. Or I really like watching Nashville. Oh, Hall of Famer, Joe Votto, future Hall of Famer. And oh, look at Carlos Santana now. Should be our super Hall of Famer. I think Dave Barker would be the Hall of Famer. I found one finally I found a Giants thing. It was like spring training card. So double check whether I missed anything or not. No. And then there's one more in the card. There's this guy. So that's it for the piles. So please like and subscribe. Tell me what you think. If you collect baseball cards, what your different types of cards I collect. I'd really like to hear some comments for once. Please, don't be shy. I don't bite. I promise. You know what I mean? Alright? Please like and subscribe. We try different things with this channel. Traveling. All crazy stuff. Alright? Bye.